Welcome to AVYST eForms Wizard. In our brief tutorial today, we're going to talk about printing client applications. To print a client application, you simply go to File, Print, and you have the option to either print a single form set, you can print all of the form sets that make up your application, or you can print specific forms based on a selection. If you go to print a single form, remember that it's going to print the form that you're working on currently. In this case, it's the homeowner's application. If we wanted to print the entire set of forms, which includes the homeowner's application, the auto application, the young driver, and the good student form set, you would select Print All. And if you wanted to print only specific forms, you would begin by checking those forms that you want to print in the tabs, and then go ahead and select the third option, which is Print Selected Forms. It will then prompt you to print to a local printer, or you can, if you have a PDF driver, print to PDF. That concludes our demonstration on how to print forms within an application set for a specific client.